Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are excited to showcase this incredible leveled 2022 Chevy Suburban that is currently for sale here at Xtreme. Let's start off with the exterior. As you can see, this Suburban has been leveled with a rough country 2-inch leveling kit, giving it a more aggressive and eye-catching look. It also comes equipped with fuel off-road 20-inch Triton wheels and 33-inch Kenda RT tires, making it a unique vehicle you won't see around town. While this is the 8-passenger LS version, it may not have leather seats, but don't let that fool you. It is still packed with plenty of options such as a touchscreen display, rear-view camera, Android and Apple CarPlay, and multiple USB ports for charging your devices. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful 5.3-liter engine with only 55,000 miles on it. This Suburban is built to last and will provide you with a smooth and reliable driving experience. This beauty is up for grabs at Xtreme Truck and Auto Center in Coopersville, Michigan for just $46,995. Where else can you find a leveled 2022 Chevy Suburban at such an amazing price? So if you're in the market for a reliable and already upgraded Suburban, come on over and see what it has to offer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest vehicles for sale.